When many people think of losing weight, one of the first things that come to mind is getting a totally toned and taut tummy. After all, who doesn't want to be able to slip into a pair of jeans without having to deal with a muffin top? Plus, losing belly fat is a surefire way to improve your health. Spot reduction isn't a viable approach to losing belly fat, explains fitness trainer and nutrition expert Corey Phelps, creator of the Cultivate by Corey fitness program. But there are some great core-focused exercises that will torch fat all over the body, resulting in a strong and more chiseled core. Here are the best exercises and workouts to lose belly fat. 1. Burpees. This exercise works your core, as well as your chest, shoulders, lats, triceps, and quads, explains Michaels. Since burpees involve explosive plyometric movement, they'll get your heart pumping too. How to do burpees. Stand with your feet shoulder distance apart, and send your hips back as you lower your body toward the ground in a low squat. Then, place your hands right outside of your feet, and hop your feet back, allowing your chest to touch the floor. Push your hands against the floor to lift your body up into a plank, and then jump your feet just outside of your hands. With your weight in your heels, jump explosively into the air with your arms overhead. 2. Mountain climbers. Like burpees, Michaels is a fan of this moving plank exercise because it works your core, in addition to a slew of other body muscles. How to do mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Keep your core tight, drawing your belly button in toward your spine. Drive your right knee toward your chest and then bring it back to plank. Then, drive your left knee toward your chest and bring it back. Continue to alternate sides. 3. Turkish get-up. The Turkish get-up is a 200-year-old total body exercise that involves using a kettlebell, and it's a favorite of celebrity trainer Ramona Braganza. While it is slightly complicated, she says that the total body conditioning move is seriously effective for blasting belly fat. How to do a Turkish get-up. Holding one kettlebell by the handle with both hands, lie on your side in a fetal position. Roll onto your back and press the kettlebell up toward the ceiling with both hands until the weight is stable on one loaded side. Release your free arm and a free leg to a 45-degree angle with your palm facing down. Slide the heel of the loaded side closer to your butt to firmly grip the floor. 4. Medicine ball burpees. Phelps suggests adding a medicine ball to your burpee to increase the intensity of the exercise and boost your metabolism, all while building a sleek set of six-pack abs. How to do medicine ball burpees. Standing with your feet shoulder distance apart, hold a medicine ball with both hands. Extend the ball up overhead, then slam the ball down on the ground as hard as you can, hinging over and sitting your butt back as you slam. As you hinge over, bend your knees. Place your hands on the ground outside of your feet and jump back into a high plank position. Keep your body in a straight line. Then, jump your feet back towards the outsides of your hands so that you are squatting. Pick up the ball and press it overhead, extending your body and standing tall. 5. Sprawls. The sprawl is basically a burpee on steroids, a full-body exercise that works as many muscles as possible and burns calories while shaping and toning upper and lower body, especially your abs. It takes the traditional burpee to the next level by having you touch your chest to the ground, then push up to plank as you continue the move, explains Braganza. How to do a sprawl. Standing with your feet shoulder distance apart, squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back to a plank and lower your body to touch the ground. Push yourself up to a plank, and then jump your feet outside of your hands into a squat. Stand back up. That's 1 rep. If you want to burn even more calories, add a jump between each sprawl, Braganza adds.